Hey guys, welcome back to Olympian Frameworks, and in today's video we will be covering root manipulation. So this is a tactic that is heavily tested on Olympians where they tell you something that happens to the root and you have to figure out how to replace that and put it into the equation and come up with your answer. Just a quick overview, so if they tell you the root is flipped, we want to flip the coefficients, like a mirror. If they tell you the root was multiplied by k or scaled by a factor of k, we want to multiply all coefficients by increasing powers of k. Then if they tell you the root is inversed or multiplied by -1, kind of the same as this, we want to just flip all the signs on the odd powers because those are the odd equations. And finally, if we want to substitute r for r plus h, then we want to put x minus h into our equation because remember, it's always the opposite. Let's take a look at how this can help us on the 2021 AMC 12 question 16. So it's telling us that let g of x be a polynomial with a leading coefficient of 1 whose three roots are reciprocals of the roots of this equation, and where 1 is less than a, is less than b, is less than c. So we want to find g of 1 in terms of a, b, and c. So notice here that g of x, since the roots are reciprocals, we know that all we have to do to get from f of x to g of x is flip all the coefficients. So pretend there's a mirror right here, splitting it in half, and we want to flip our coefficients. So we know that g of x equals c x squared plus bx, or sorry, cx cubed plus bx plus ax plus 1. And now that we have our g of x, it's telling us that g of x has to be a polynomial with a leading coefficient of 1. But right now, our leading coefficient is c. So what do we have to do to get a leading coefficient of 1? Well, we just divide this whole equation by c, right? So divide this by c, this cancels out, divide this by c, divide this by c, and this by c. And we get x cubed plus b over c x squared plus ax over c plus 1 over c. And our goal is to find g of 1. So what we want to do is replace all these x's with 1's. So these will all go away, and we're left with only our coefficients, right? So this isn't one of our answer choices, so we want to simplify a bit further. So all that's left to do is find a common denominator. So 1 we can rewrite as c over c. And now we have a common denominator. So all we do is add c plus b plus a plus 1 all over c. And that is our final answer. We can confidently select choice A on our exam. And thank you so much. I hope you found that helpful. And I hope that now we will be able to look at any equation given a root substitution and immediately be able to find the new equation. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys for topic 1.9, and happy problem solving!